Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to install the Detroit Radiant DSCS high intensity gas patio heater. Our first step will be to mount the heater. The mounting brackets will be located on the top of the heater on these two sides. This heater has several different mounting options depending on your situation. The next step will be to have your gas professional run the gas line. The gas connection is on this side of the heater. The next step is to have your certified electrician run the electrical lines. The electrical will be found right underneath the gas line. These heaters operate on 24 volts. The final step will be to turn your patio heater on. That can be done in several different ways, including a timer and a wall switch. And that is everything you need to know when installing your Detroit Radiant DSCS 34-inch high-intensity gas patio heater. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.